Welcome to the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4 in ebony twilight metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Acadia, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-activated shifter, all-wheel drive toggle is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Acadia, starting off with the 17-inch aluminum wheels paired up with Continental Terrain contact tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the twin chrome tipped exhaust, Acadia AT4 and GMC badging all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Acadia, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing plenty of access to your third row. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. Cup holders come down in the middle. And here in the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, as well as 2 USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.